What's up, YouTube? Here is our very second tutorial for Java. We'll here we'll be doing that every programmer starts with the hello world. We're going to print a hello world. But first, let me introduce to you some things in Java. First thing, to make the work in anything, you'll have to, let's make a right click in the package explorer. Right click. You have to make a new Java or a project here. New Java project. Right? Let me zoom out, guys. Alright. Let's name this project. You can name it anything you want. I will name it lesson 1. Lesson 2, anything you want to name it. Lesson 2 Java. Alright, it's preferred not to use those words, so let me think Java project. This is what I'm going to press finish. Alright. Then after having this, we will have a an SRC. Let's make a new package. So we would put our projects in. Let's name this package projects. So we'll be using our projects here. Finish. So as you can see, it's empty. So we're going to make a new class. What is a class? Actually, I'll be saying what is a class later. But we will actually use a class to do our projects in. So alright, I have found you some things that may help you for what is a class. Let's read this one. Okay, a class is a model, template, or blueprint from which objects are created. Or what are classes? Definition. A class is a blueprint or prototype. Defines the variables and methods common to all objects of a certain kind. Also, benefits of classes are reusability. Software programmers use the same class and same code to create many objects. We'll be saying what's an object and what's a class later in this video. Again, Java class. Note: a class name cannot be a Java reserved keyword such as public or void. So, for example, if we make a new class, if we name it void, see, type name is not valid, or let's say void. Well, it worked, but it will work with you. You have to make a capital, but it will work with you. But what will happen when you come to run a project? It will say to you an error that your class name is containing a Java reserved name, so you don't have to use void or public Java. Those are not preferred, and if you would make them, there would be some errors. So you do not do this. Also, anatomy of a Java class. Class accessibility limit. Is it public or private? Keyword is a class. You have to use a class and the class name. So these represent class attributes, and methods these represent the class behavior. Alright, let me try to find something else. Java class. So class accessibility, where I already showed you. So in Java classes, we need objects. What is the difference between between classes and objects? Well, objects are like a real car, is a car, or classes or types. So as a class, you may say type. So as a class, let's say that the class is like BMW as shown, or Chevrolet, Bugatti, or any name. That's just an example. And an object is for example, a real car. You may just say car. A class is a blueprint or template of some object. Object is an instance of some class. Object can also be as a variable. So let's get started with our first program. About this by mistake post. So let's go and start with our very first project, which is Hello World. We'll print Hello World. So let's go to new class. Let's name it printing words. You must make it capital between each word. Right? This is what we need. No need to generate. No. Then just finish. Alright, so this is how it will start. What to do? You may do two things to start working. You either you either work here as the main and it will print here, or you may use another thing which is called public. Let's make it public static void. Sorry guys, public static void. Let's say public static void. I want to make it public. I said public. Oh, public static void. Rename it as printing, and then you take this name and put it here, and just to make it this way better for one reason. Here you would be just saying what you would do or making it. So I'm sorry, my explanation for this one is not so good, but it's better here. Just do what I just did. So we're going to write system dot out dot print then ln, right? And instead of x, we are going to make a double quotes, right? Double quotes, they are important. You don't make single quotes. Single quotes are for chars, for chars, but we don't want single quotes, we want double quotes. Double quotes, and then we're going to write hello world. See what will happen. Let's run it. Look here. Hello world. Yeah. Or you can make a variable for it. Remove this, right? And make a variable named string, right? String. No, better not to make it right now. Let's learn syntax in another video. Here, hello world. I may say hello YouTube, and it will be printed here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. So far we have uploaded one video, which is downloading Java JDK and Eclipse. If you haven't watched it yet, if you haven't downloaded them yet, you may open them and download them. Thank you for watching.